Hello everybody, welcome back to another Super Auto Pets Fiesta. Oh my god, this is actually horrible. Iguana has proven to be nothing but the worst tier 1 in this weekly pack. Oh, I'm so grateful. There's no there's no way I lose here. There's no way I lose here. Fragile the confused whippersnappers. You know. You know how people get. Holy. Oh my god, you thought. Oh wow, this great buff from both of these otters. Suck it. Oh god, it sucks so much. It's not even worth buying either of these two right now. Honestly, if I'm to give honey to anyone, it's the person closest to leveling. Even though I'm probably gonna pill that ant later, I feel like you might. Oh god, this is a loss. I think this might be the same team too. Oh no. If things had just gone a little bit better, I could have won that. Maybe. Probably not. Probably not. What the fuck? Okay, I can deal with that. I like this though. I like this though. What am I about to do? I would never recommend to anyone. But I'm about to do it. Ooh. These two on the pig. I'm gonna sell the pig later. His stats can only take me so far. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Of course now it would be optimal to have oh no. I lose this? Yeah. Oh, would have been optimal to have an iguana on the team then. But you know what? I don't care. Let's get this bad boy in here. Let's see what we can get. This on this, meat on the bat, broccoli on the ox. I can I can see this working out. I can see this working out. I need the pug to do something. Holy moly, this guy is big. Okay. This should be a win. Oh man. Oh man. Don't say I didn't warn you. Holy. That felt good. Now, instead of. Oh god, this is difficult. Okay, I can afford this. I can definitely afford this. Neither of those are good enough for me to want to take them. I don't have anything to make blowfish pineapple work right now. This is just the squad I'm gonna have to roll with. Oh no. Okay. I like that, but I don't like this. Although, it might just be like totally fine. Oh my god. It is totally fine. Dude, that's the power of the ox, I'm telling you. Especially with that ant buff. Oh, horrible, horrible creature. We could take some more. I mean, honestly, level 3 pug might just be it. Pug with broccoli, give it more HP. I like that. I'm gonna get rid of this pig soon. Who's telling when? I just his stats are good, but not quite good enough. Oh no. Is it totally fine though? You know, it might just be totally 100% fine. Oh my god. The power of the ox, man. It's like the power of the dog. Okay, I like this. I do like this a lot. I'm planning on keeping everyone on this squad. Please, something good. Okay. Okay. Um, How should I go about this? I kind of want to level 2 the porcupine with this pug, but um, I'm just rolling, man. I guess for now I'll buy this ant. There's just nothing good I can buff with the pug that I found in the shop. Okay, if we lose this one, I will not be surprised in the slightest. Oh, get rid of that melon armor. No. Got rid of the one thing that did not matter. Although, dude, that team is gonna pop off later. That chicken is nuts. That chicken is so nuts to get so early. I got a fucking like a horrible little thing. Oh no, first. Okay, okay, okay. So I may have gotten a little bit lucky with that. Oh, okay, okay. Level 2 ant gives us a pretty good buff on the final guy. Oh, this is not good. Although, to be honest, it's kind of like totally fine. Dang, you didn't get a level 2 lion this early? Man, you kinda suck. Okay. This might be like so much better. You're gonna hate me for this. Holy shit. Okay. I might want to get rid of this bat so I can buy him. This squad seems insane. Let's see. Oh, no, but it doesn't, but it kind of does seem insane. Let's see what happens. Oh, no. Wrong order. Oh, it's all going to hell. This is not good. I should not have gotten rid of my bat. Although, yeah, no, I definitely need scaling of some sort. There's just, I don't know what to do. Um, may have just mucked us indefinitely. I may have to sell this guy. I wish I had a pill, man. That was the last time a pill could have worked well. Oh, and then the ant gets the okay, okay. I'm fumbling the bag all over the place here. I'm making incredibly suboptimal plays. That was nice though. I like that. Too bad it doesn't really matter. Kind of. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. That is unbelievably unfortunate. Give me a pill, please. You know what? At this point, I don't even care. Give it to him. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Level 3, you do 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's 18 damage. Level 3, I assume you do 21 damage. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just getting unbelievably unlucky, kind of, and also not doing the most optimal of plays. Oh god, no. No. The loose balls. Okay, we made it to 6 wins with a team that should have made it to 10. I'm a little mad about that, but you know, it is what it is. I feel like I should have done much better. And you know what? Oh, I hate this. I hate this so much. This is me right now, man. I got a bloody nose a little earlier. Holy moly. That shit had me struggling. Oh man. If I only had something a little better than two little tiny ass crickets. Put them in front. I don't know. I don't know. We're rolling. We're rolling when we shouldn't be. And that's alright. God, I cannot believe I fumbled that last game so badly. Holy shit. Oh no. Oh no. I lost two iguanas. Oh, that feels terrible. That feels... Oh, hello, my little friend. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, man. Okay. An extra stat point is good. No, extra money is good. I've realized that the pug can only do so much. You need like a baseline for the pug to do anything good. I don't know. I don't feel like I've been getting there. Oh, but okay. This this enemy team they're going through it for sure. Oh, I don't need this. Um, Duck is nice. Bat is nice. Okay. Let's roll for something good, man. Ooh, I like this. I love this, though. I love this. Fudge. That's not what I meant to do at all. Okay. If we keep the dog, keep that, get rid of this cricket, and then we get rid of the bat as well, then theoretically we should. There's no. Oh no. Okay. Ignore that. Ignore that loss right there. I'm doing some meta planning right now. Okay. Okay. I like this, but I can't get both? I don't think. Oh yeah, I can. I can. Blue. I like that. I like that. Giraffe is good. I only need this guy for like one round because his efficacy is in the dirt. Okay. I I hate to see it happen, but I have to get a 10 win at some point. You know. What the fuck? What are they feeding that? What are they feeding that pig, man? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. Please don't make this be a one win. Okay. Oh. 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 You're gonna hate me for what I have to do. This is goodbye, Cell. This is only temporary. This is just for the round. Unless it proves to be incredibly useful, which I kind of, oh no. They have two melon armor low things, low creatures. I should win though, right? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just getting the ball rolling, you know. Okay, I like this, and I like this. Ooh. If- I can't. Okay. Um, nothing, nothing is. Ooh. Yeah. Are there even pills in this pack? There is. There is a pill in this pack. I just need to find it. And that's proving to me more difficult than I want it to be. Okay, my backline is incredibly sturdy. What the fuck? Are you serious? I mean, we win, but like, what the hell was that? They had a roach that was at 9 damage? Is that what a level 3 roach does? Oh, I love this. I hate doing this, but I love this. That's like so many stats for 2 gold. Okay, okay. I can deal with that. Give me a pill, please. Save this for next round, because I'm going to want to sell him. Okay, okay. Hear me out. Hear me out. We're not on lethal yet. That was what I totally meant to do. Oh, God. That was not at all what I meant to do. Man, if only I had, like, another dog or something, you know? This is so, like, fine. Oh my God, this team was actually ass? Dude, the dog is so buff. Holy shit. And I find a pill when I kind of need it, honestly. Okay. Buy me. Pill me. Meet me. I like the toad, but I like the bat a little bit more. I don't know. I don't know. I need to level up this dragonfly to get scaling running. Oh, I love that. I love that so much. Oh no, you broke my melon armor. Aw, too bad. Too bad. Your team sucks. I gotta do a vulture switch real quick. Sure, man. Sure. I like this. I like this. Oh, that was not the order I should have done it in. Oh my god. I feel kind of awful doing that. But if I can get his stats up... Oh, if I can get his stats up. So many buy sells. So little time. Okay, please don't lose the game. That was good. That was not good. Please don't. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Big Swan in the back, kind of taking hits. Holy shit. Lioness. Oh, I'm at turn 11, man. I can't do that. I have to get rid of this guy. I have to. There's just no other way this is gonna work. Even if it is getting rid of that tiny buff, it's just a tiny buff. Not something I'm worried about. Vulture, honestly, I don't think position really matters with this team. And it also, like, put them in the exact same position they were in. What? Oh, no, they didn't. Oh, I guess it just doesn't show you. Oh, they have a bigger dog. Do they? They don't. They have an equally sized dog. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got to 7. Come on. Chocolate or a Komodo, please. Oh man. Oh, this is kind of incredible. This is kind of incredible. Because it's randomizing the stat buff that this little guy does. He's almost max HP, which is all I really need. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, that's cute. Too bad it sucks. Oh, I still had that 3249 dog with melon on me. Okay, I like pizza. I love that. Okay. Okay. if we can get the Komodo to level 3, I think that is 24 stats. I like that. Okay, okay. This might be a loss. Will it? Honestly, I feel like I'm like totally fine. Oh my god. Ah, what a well-crafted team. It would be a shame if something horrible happened to it. Oh my gosh. You know what? Screw it, man. Put me in. Put me in. Give me that 10 piece. Oh, I'm liking this team. I'm loving this team even. The scaling is kind of wacky, kind of weird, out of this world. Oh yes, oh my god. What? You killed your own units? You killed 2 of your own units? Ooh! Print screen. Print fucking screen. Holy shit. That. That is a game I can be proud of. I still had a 40-50 dog with melon armor. Holy shit. That is gonna do it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.